Hello guys and welcome to my channel. I am back with yet another video for unboxing of another equipment that I'm going to use for my astrophotography image processing rig that I'm making. As you know guys, I have already been unboxing a lot of equipments that I'm going to use to make this ultimate image processing rig for your astrophotography session. If you have not seen those videos, I will put the link of the videos above or in the description below for you guys to check it out. So today guys, in this video I'm going to do an unboxing of this Zotac twin-edge GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card that comes with 12GB DDR6 RAM. Ensure that you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important information or specifications that I have to share. Before we move further guys, if you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Let's get started. So let us start with this box that you see here. Let us see what are the information or specifications which are present on this box before we unbox this and see the equipment inside. So on the top of this box, as you can see, it is made by Zotac. It is a twin-edge RTX GeForce NVIDIA 3060 graphics card. It comes with 12GB DDR6 memory. It comes with IceStorm version 2.0 and FreeStack cooling. It is NVIDIA Ampere arc ray tracing technology with DLSS. So this is perfect for gaming guys. This is not the latest generation graphics card, but this is fairly new in the market and it has a good review as well. So let us see on the side what it has. On the side it does not have anything other than it says GeForce RTX 3060. On the other side as well, let us see, it is the same thing. It says GeForce RTX twin-edge 3060 graphics card. Now let us see at the back what are the specifications that it says. This is the RTX 3060 powered by NVIDIA graphics card. It is made by Zotac as of now with IceStorm 2.0 for advanced GPU cooling with freeze fan stop when GPU is idle, so it does not take in power, so it has intelligent fan controlling system as well. Firestorm, which means GPU is tuned and monitored with an intelligence as well, so it is an intelligent GPU. For now it is the latest generation's GPU, just to tell you guys. Amplified with all new Zotac gaming GeForce NVIDIA Ampere architecture, integrated with next generation technologies, breakthrough bandwidth and ultra fast graphics memory. So basically it is the latest graphics card with latest technology which is integrated. Let us see with the features that it provides. Comes with second generation ray tracing cores, third generation tensor cores, PCIe Express generation 4, which is the latest one as of now, Microsoft DirectX 12 Ultimate, GDDR6 memory for graphics memory, NVIDIA DLSS, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, NVIDIA G-Sync, NVIDIA GPU Boost, game ready drivers, Vulkan RT API with OpenGL supported is 4.6 version, DisplayPort of 1.4a version and HDMI 2.1, HDCP 2.3 and VR ready. So this is the latest what it has to offer. Let us see the GeForce platform highlights. So it is game ready drivers, NVIDIA Studio drivers which is supported, GeForce Experience as well, a companion software easily manageable driver with latest driver and optimum settings that it comes with. NVIDIA Shadow Play lets you capture and share your best gaming moments as well. So I think these are all the software features that it comes with along with the drivers that it has. So this is it guys, this is what is there on the top of the box and printed with the specifications. Now let us open the box and see what is inside. Let's open the seal for now. Now let us slide it out and see what's there inside. So this is the cover box. I'm going to keep it aside. This is a nice black box that it comes in with your Zotac branding on the top. Now let us open and see what's there inside. So first thing that you will see inside is the user manual or get started guide that it comes with. If you want, you can go through it. Guys, I will be doing another video on how to install this graphics card on the motherboard and install all the drivers and everything, so ensure that you stay tuned to my channel so that you do not miss out on any new videos that I have to share with you guys. So for now I will keep these guides aside Now let us see what else is there. So this is your main graphics card that it comes with. Let us see what else is there. So there is nothing more on the box, so I will keep the box aside for now. So let us open the user manual envelope and see what is there inside. So inside here you get with some of the Zotac graphics card logo and branding that you can put on the graphics card, quick installation guide, and some latest driver download instructions that it comes with, and along with some features or some of the other products which Zotac makes. It comes along with this card as well, so if you want you can go through it. Let's keep that aside for now. Now let us see the main equipment itself. So this is it, guys. This is the graphics card, how it looks like. On the top you have around 3 DisplayPort and 1 HDMI port, so it can support up to 4 display. So it comes with twin fan technology, so it has ample of cooling that it comes with. On the top you have 8-pin connector. For the power supply, this is PCIe 4 compatible chip, so you can put it on your motherboard on the PCIe Gen 4 slot that it has, so that it provides an optimal speed as well. So this is it, guys. This is how your graphics cards look like. Now guys, let us go through some of the technical specifications and physical specifications as well. So as you can see, it is nicely built. On the top you have the metal cover, as well as you have the metal reinforcement at the back, so that whenever it gets heated, your initial generation cards used to bend due to the heat, but now since it is metal reinforced, it is sturdy built now. So it comes with twin fan technologies. The cooling on this graphics card will be a lot better. On the sides as well, it has got the metal plating, so it is fixed on the top of your cabinet, so there will be no load on the motherboard when you fix it onto the cabinet. So since it is little heavier, so earlier you used to have a problem with the PCIe port breaking up and everything. So with this support that it comes with, you will no longer have that problem. Now let us go through some of the technical specification. So it has around CUDA cores of around 3584 cores, CUDA cores, video memory of 12GB GDDR6, memory bus of 192 bits, boost engine clock from 1777 MHz, memory clock of around 15 Gbps, PCIe Express 4.0 16x support. So as per the display goes, it has as you can see, there are 3 DisplayPort and 1 HDMI port. Both the port supports 4K at 60 Hz. An ultra high speed HDMI cable is required to support 8K at 60 fps or 4K at 120 fps as well. So it supports HDCP of 3.3 version, multi-display capacity of up to 4 display. Recommended power supply to be used is around more than 600 watt, although it will be consuming not more than 170 watts if you are not overclocking and running at the normal clock speed. The power input is 8-pin PCIe input that it has. As you can see on the top, this is 8-pin power input and that it takes. It supports an OpenGL 4.6 version, DirectX 12 Ultimate version. Cooling, as you know, Zotac has coined this name for cooling IceStorm 2.0 version. Slot size is dual slot size, compatible with Windows 10 64-bit version. The card length is around 224.1 mm, 116.3 mm by 39.2 mm. So this is it, guys. This is the technical specifications of this Zotac RTX 3060 NVIDIA graphics card. This concludes the unboxing of NVIDIA Zotac 3060 RTX graphics card. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions or comment, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer as soon as possible. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching and clear skies.